are pleased to show you the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.